Hi, I'm James Tuggle here with Spring Creek Products. Today we're talking about bullet hinges, and bullet hinges are a small hinge, very smooth, that work great with smaller gates. The alignment for the bullet hinge is a real key. When you're installing a hinge, they need to be perfectly straight up and down, and they need to be straight going back and forth between the gate and the post. The hinge also can be put on upside down. The hole should never be on the bottom to catch rain. The hole is always looking down with the shaft always looking up. The gasket is designed to carry the load with the top shelf. 2 points are carrying the load on this hinge. There you go.